Hi kids, I am your CJ teacher. So last day you got class on factors and multiples. I got some feedback that you are confused between factors and multiples. So I am taking that class once more. So you know what is a multiple, isn't it? Nothing else than our multiplication table. Write the 5 multiples of 8 means you should write the multiples of multiplication table of 8 till 5. 8 into 1, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 8 into 3, 24. 8 into 4, 32. 8 into 5, 40. So, fifth multiple of 8 is 40. Isn't it? That part is clear for you. Next is about factors. So, let's begin with an example. Clearly listen to me. This is only the revised portion of factors. Okay? Ah, nice car, isn't it? Lamborghini. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Lamborghini cars are arranged in one row. So, in one row, how many cars are arranged? 6 cars are arranged. So, last year we learned arranging in one row. How can we represent in our language? 1 into 6 is equal to 6. So, 6 can be expressed as 6 cars that are arranged in one row, isn't it? Again, let's see how we can arrange 6 in another way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the cars are arranged in one row. See, here the cars are arranged in 2 rows. Here 1 row, this is second row. So 2 rows, the cars are arranged. How many cars are arranged in one row? Here 1, 2, 3. 3 cars are arranged in one row. Here 3 cars are arranged. So in one row 3 cars are arranged. 3 each. 3 cars each are arranged in one row. Isn't it? So in our language it is 2 into 3 equal to 6. Understood? Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3 rows. Cars are in one row. How many cars? Here 2 cars, here 2 cars, here 2 cars. So in 3 rows, 2 cars each are arranged. 3 rows, 2 cars each are arranged. So how will we write that? 3 2s are 6. See, when we multiplied 1 and 6, we got 6. Then 2 and 3, we got 6. 2 and 3, 2 into 3 is same as 3 into 2. We have learned the identity, isn't it? So, we'll stop here. So, the numbers which we multiply, these numbers 1, 2, 3 and 6 are called the factors of 6. Clear? So, the numbers which we multiply, they are called the factors of 6. So, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Next, listen. We are going to write the factors of 12. You have not learned the table of 12, but we know we have to start from 1, isn't it? All the multiplication table, we start with 1. So, like that way, we know 1 into any number gives the same number. So, the first multiplication table is 1 into 12. 12. Again, just remember, recite the table of 2, where you will get 12. 2 into which number? 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Again, take the table of 3. 3 into which number gives 12? 3 into 4 is equal to 12. Again, repetition comes, isn't it? In table of 4, 4 3s are 12. 3 into 4 is same as 4 into 3. Then comes 5. Table of 5, 12 is not there. Again, 6. 6 into 2. Repetition, 2 into 6 is equal to 6 into 2. Here, 3 into 4. 4 into 3 also gives 12. Then 6 into 2 again gives the answer 12. Then 7. No number. The product is not 12 in 7. Table of 7. 8. No. 9. No. Table of 10. No. Table of 11. No. Next. Table of 12. 12 into 1 again equal to 12. So, if we multiply these digits, we will get the product as 12. So, the repetition we will not take. So, which are the digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors. When we multiply two numbers, the number that we multiply together, these numbers are the factors of 12. So, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Understood? Next question. 30. 30. We are familiar with the number 30. So, I told 1 is the factor of every number. We'll start with 1, isn't it? So, that is one property of factors. 1 is the factor of every number. So, 1 into 30. 30. Now, we should see the table of 2. We have learned only till 20. 2 into 10, 20. We'll see whether it is divisible by, whether you can divide it with 2. 2 will go 1 time. 2 into 1, 2. Subtract 1. Bring down 0. Then it becomes 10. 2 into 5, 10. When you subtract, you will get 0. So, 2 into 15 is also equal to 30 because we got the remainder 0. So, 2 into 15 is equal to 30. Now, beside the table of 3, where you will get 30? 3 into 10 is 30. Table of 4, 4 sevens are 28. 4 8s are 32 greater, isn't it? 30 is not there in the table of 4. 5 into 6, 30. 6, again repetition comes. So, we'll stop here. Understood? 6 into 5, 30. Table of 7, no 30 is there. 8, no 30. 9, we will not get 30 as the product. Table of 9. Then again 10 into 3, 30. So, the numbers which we multiply, these numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30 are called the factors of 30. So, factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Understood? So, next. So, factors are the numbers that we multiply together to get a number. I told you, no? An example is given. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Which are the factors of the number 20? Factors are the numbers that we multiply together to get a number. The number means it is 20. When you will get the answer 20, many answers are there. But one example is given here. In this, which are the factors of 20? Here, 5 and 4 are called the factors of 20. Understood? Clear? So, next. Next is the properties of factors. Now, we learn how to write the factors. Now, the first property is I told you earlier, 1 is the factor of every number. Here, 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 10, 10. 1 into 100, 100. 100. So, this 1 is a factor of every number. That is the first property. Again, every number is a factor of itself. That is, when you multiply this number, 8 into 1, 8. 15 into 1, 15. 25 into 1, you will get the answer 25. So, every number is a factor of itself. First property was 1 is a factor of every number, and second property, every number is a factor of itself. Next property, the factor of a number is less than or equal to the number itself. So, let's see an example. What will be the factors of 20? We know first what we will do, we will write all the multiplication table where we will get the product as 20. So, 1 into 20, 20. Table of 2, 2 into 10 gives 20. Table of 3, no. 4, 4 into 5 gives 20. Again, 5 repetition. 5 fours are 20. 6 will not come. 7, no. 8 will not come. 9 will not come. 10 again. So, if we get the repetition, we will stop there. So, these are the factors. Look at the factors. Here it is told the factor of a number is less than or equal to the number itself. This is our number 20. So, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, here 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. They are the factors 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. See, according to our property, the factors of a number, the factors of this number is either equal to 20 or it will be less than 20. Will be less than or equal to 20. This you have to remember. This is either less than or equal to the number that is given. That is the property. We'll see one more example. Factors of 4. Which are the factors of 4? 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Any other number? No. So, here we'll take only 2 one time. Here 1, 2 and 4 are the factors of 4. We can see that the number itself and the numbers less than 4 are the factors of 4. This is the next property. Clear? Next. Next property is prime numbers. Last year we have learned about prime numbers. Prime numbers from between 1 and 100 we wrote in the notebook, isn't it? What are prime numbers? Numbers which have only 2 factors. 2 factors means 1 and the number itself. If we start from the counting number 1, is 1 a prime number? No. 1 into 1, repetition comes. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Now 2, when you take 2, 1 into 2 is 2. No other multiplication table you can see the answer 2. Isn't it? Then 3, there also 1 into 3. 4, many other, 1, 2, 4 other. Then 5, 1 into 5 is equal to 5. 6, 1 into 6 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors. Now 7, 1 into 7. So these numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, all these numbers are called prime numbers because they have only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself. Next, factors of 1 and 5. Factors of 5, 1 and 5. Factors of 7, 1 and 7. I told you earlier. Next is composite numbers. Here, a number with more than 2 factors. The other one, prime numbers, they have only 2 factors. Here it is more than 2 factors. If we consider an example of 9, what are the factors? 1 into 9 is 9. 3 into 3 is 9. So, more than 2 factors. Then, 12. 1 into 12. Then, 2 into 6. Then, 3 into 4. 4 into 3. More than 2 factors. That is called composite number, a number with more than 2 factors. So, example, factors of 15. How can we write? 1 into 15 is 15. Then 2 will not come. 3 into 5, 15. Then 4 will not come. 5 into 3, again repetition game. So, we will stop here. Which are the factors? 1, 3, 5, 15. So, factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Excuse me. Next, factors of 18. Factors of 18, how will you find? 1 into 18 is equal to 18. Then, 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. In table of 4, 18 is not there. 5, 18 is not there. 6 into 3, repetition game. So, we'll stop here. So, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So, the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So, now you understood how much important is our multiplication table. So, those who don't know the multiplication table will suffer here. Again, when we go on, we need the multiplication table. So, be careful. You should thorough with the tables. Clear? The next is common factors. This is nothing. We will see the example. Find the common factors of 12 and 16. Now, we are familiar with the factors. So, first of all, first step is we will write the factors of 12 and 16. Factors of 12. Which are the factors of 12? Now you know how to say. Now, 1 is a factor, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 4 into 3, again repetition game. So, we'll stop. So, these are the factors. Then, factors of 16. Which are the factors of 16? 1 into 16 equal to 16. Then, table of 2. 2 into 8 is 16. 3, no. 4 into 4 gives 16. Again, repetition comes, isn't it? So, we'll stop. Which are the factors? These. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. If the number repeats, we'll take only once. So, the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4 and 16. So, we'll see what is the common factor between these 12 and 16. What is common here? 1 is common, isn't it? Then 2 common. Then 3 is not here. So, 4 is common. So, which are the common factors of 12 and 16? Common factors of 12 and 16 are 1, 2 and 4. So, what are common factors? A number that is a factor of 2 or more numbers, that is known as common factors. A number that is a factor of 2 or more numbers. These numbers here you can see common in both 12 and 13. 1, 2 and 4. So, we call these numbers as the common factors. Hope all understood what I had taught today. See children, if you have any doubt, please contact me. My number is given. You are free to call me and clear your doubts. Now, after understanding this, do the exercise problems. If you have any doubt, give me a call. Thank you. God bless you.